Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a powerhouse storage solution designed for professionals in the creative industry, the OWC ThunderBay Flex 8. This isn't just another storage enclosure. It's a robust, customizable hub that promises both speed and capacity for demanding workflows. Let's explore what makes this storage solution stand out. The ThunderBay Flex 8 is engineered to handle the rigors of high-definition video editing and large-scale data management. It features 8 drive bays that can accommodate a mix of SSDs and HDDs, offering a total storage capacity of up to a whopping 172 terabytes. This flexibility allows users to configure their storage setup according to their specific needs, whether for fast access editing or secure archival. Physically, the ThunderBay Flex 8 resembles the classic Mac Pro design, built with durability in mind. It's crafted from sturdy metal and finished in matte black, ensuring it can withstand frequent transportation and heavy use. The design includes convenient front access drive bays and a variety of ports, including Thunderbolt 3, USB-C, and USB-A, making it a versatile hub for connecting various peripherals and devices. One of the standout features is its support for advanced RAID configurations through SoftRAID 8.0 software. This enables robust data management options like RAID 0, RAID 1, RAID 5, and more, ensuring both performance optimization and data redundancy. The ThunderBay Flex 8 also supports high-speed NVMe SSDs, allowing for lightning-fast data transfers essential for real-time editing tasks in applications like Final Cut Pro and DaVinci Resolve. In terms of performance, the ThunderBay Flex 8 doesn't disappoint. It boasts impressive transfer speeds, with NVMe SSDs capable of speeds up to 2,750 MB/s and HDDs delivering a respectable 861 MB/s. This ensures smooth handling of large video files and swift backups, crucial for maintaining productivity in fast-paced production environments. Setting up and using the ThunderBay Flex 8 is straightforward, thanks to its intuitive design and plug-and-play functionality. Once configured, it integrates seamlessly with both Mac and PC systems, appearing as a unified storage solution on your desktop. The inclusion of features like SD and CF Express card readers further enhances its usability, allowing for quick media transfers directly from camera cards. To sum it up, the OWC ThunderBay Flex 8 is more than just a storage solution. It's a comprehensive tool designed to streamline your creative workflow. Whether you're editing high-resolution videos or managing extensive databases, its combination of speed, capacity, and versatility makes it an invaluable asset for any professional studio or individual creator. That concludes our in-depth look at the OWC ThunderBay Flex 8. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product critiques and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.